Ergometer. An apparatus that measures work or energy expended during a period of physical exercise. Treadmill. Speeds ranging from 1 to 8 miles per hour. Incline ranging from 0% to 20%. Indications of cardiovascular disease. Changes in the J-point and street segment. METs less than 6.5. Duration less than 6 minutes. Low peak HR. Maintaining a low systolic BP. Severe ST depression. Prolonged ST depression. Bicycle arrhythmometer. Used for PTS with orthopedic, vascular, or neurological limitations need the ability to be adjusted manually or electronically. Dobutamine stress test. Adrenergic agonist stimulates the beta-1 receptors in the cardiovascular system, increases BP and HR, which increases the workload, may lead to arrhythmias, sob, headache, low BP, CP, or tremors. Beta blockers can reverse the side effects. Normal finding. J-point that is slightly depressed, sloping up into an ST segment that returns to baseline within 80 milliseconds, 0.08, from the J-point. What indicates myocardial ischemia? ST segment changes that is horizontal, downslope or upslope. Upsloping ST that does not return to baseline in 80 milliseconds beyond the J-point, most severe. Downsloping street, least severe.